In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text over images and GIFs in Card. We'll walk through this inside the Card editor, so go ahead and open the site you want to work on. Once your card is open, look towards the top right of the editor. You'll see a small plus icon, which is how you add new elements to your page. Click on that plus icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Gallery. This will add a gallery element to your page. Don't worry too much about where it lands at first. You can easily move it around by clicking and dragging it to the spot you want on your layout. With the gallery now on your page, make sure it's selected. When it's selected, you'll see its settings appear in the panel on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll control everything about your gallery, including the images and the text that goes on top of them. By default, you should be on the Gallery tab in that left panel. Here, look for the option to upload. Click Upload, and a file browser window from your computer will pop up. Navigate to the image or GIF you want to use. Once you've found it, select the file and press Enter, or click Open to upload it into Card. You should now see your image or GIF appear inside the gallery on your page. Next, still on that same Gallery tab, find the caption field. This is where you'll type the text that you want to appear over your image or GIF. Go ahead and type in your caption. It might feel a bit confusing at first, because you may not see your text appear directly on top of the image yet, and that's okay. We still need to adjust a few appearance settings to make it visible in the right place. Now, switch over to the Appearance tab in the left panel. Inside the Appearance tab, look for a section labeled Captions. Click on that to open the caption settings. You'll see a Style drop-down field. This is where you tell Card where to place your text in relation to the image. Open the drop-down and choose one of the options that places the text over the image, such as options that position it at the top, center, or bottom overlay. Once you select an overlay style, you should now see your text appear over your image or GIF in the preview. Additional caption settings will also become visible. Here you can fine-tune things like alignment, background, opacity, and sometimes padding or spacing, depending on your chosen style. Take a moment to adjust these so your text is easy to read against the image. For example, you might add a semi-transparent background behind the text, or change the alignment to center it. When you're happy with how it looks, you're done. You've successfully added text over an image or GIF in Card.